Hello there. This is May's Design Corner, and I am once again doing a collab called Lux Home Decor DIY using Dollar Tree finds. Yes, and it's an open collaboration. It's hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, and it's for April the 23rd at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Well, what I did was made a tablescape with my DIYs that I did with things from Dollar Tree. Let me put some light on the subject. Now, okay, I'm going to go around the table and show you the things that I've used that's from Dollar Tree, so that I would give to my mother as a gift if she was yet again alive. But my mother passed in 2002 from a lot of things that was going on with her, but she was a warrior and she fought until she couldn't. I really admired my mom. She fed the homeless. She did a lot of things in the neighborhood. She ran a cafe. My mom did a lot of things, and she was a great mom, great cook, great baker, and all. So this tablescape is dedicated to my mom, the things that I would make for my mom, because she loved flowers and bows. So I'm doing this. My DIYs are things I've made with Dollar Tree finds. So I'm going to go around the table and let you see what I made with Dollar Tree finds. Okay, and I would like to say thank you so much, Anna, for this collab, and Sandy Lynn. I really do thank you ladies so very much. And I also ask you to please go down the playlist and check this out. It's going to be beautiful. You all keep missing all the good stuff. It's going to be absolutely beautiful. So, and don't forget to pray for someone else besides yourself, because you know when you pray, when those prayers go up to heaven, blessings begin to come down. Without further ado, let me go and tell you what I did with my Dollar Tree finds. Okay, here we go. Now, on my table, you will find this used to be part of Dollar Tree. Remember when they had these napkin rings? And I didn't do anything with this napkin ring, so I just put it on a napkin and put it on the plate. So that's Dollar Tree napkin rings. Now, here is a Dollar Tree. These are florals were found from Dollar Tree right here. And I put them on a Tide Pod to make a vase for my flowers, my florals, to make a vase. So this is from the Dollar Tree, these flowers, the black, the white, and the gray. And then these cups here, the cups come from Dollar Tree. Years ago I made this. And then these little diamonds here on the cup, they came from Dollar Tree as well. And also, each one of my floral designs back here, this strip came from Hobby Lobby that I put on here, but the little diamonds here came from Dollar Tree. And the florals, the white roses came from Dollar Tree. Now let me go over on the other side and show you some more things that came from Dollar Tree that I would have given to my mom or set her table up for Mother's Day had she still been with us. Here's another tumbler right here that came from the Dollar Tree right here. All this came from the Dollar Tree, and I decorated this tumbler with it. So I'm going to set that back down. Now, here's one of the napkin rings from the Dollar Tree that I covered with this. with the diamond wrap there. That's from the Dollar Tree. And I put my napkin in there. And then here is some Pilsner glasses. You remember these Pilsner glasses from the Dollar Tree? Okay. And the pearls come from Dollar Tree. The diamond wrap comes from Dollar Tree. And this is what I made with that. I made this years ago. Had my mom still been alive then, she would have had this on her table. And I made 2 of them. Okay? Those are my Dollar Tree things that I made with Dollar Tree. And then here, I made this set of boxes to look like a cake for my mom. Years ago, this is old as well. I keep all my things as best as I can. I try to store them in a way that they last for a while. You remember these little things right here? These are hair bows for little girls. I just took them loose and put them on here. And this is that diamond wrap strip from Dollar Tree. And this little ribbon here, as you know, it came from Dollar Tree as well. So mostly everything on my table, majority of stuff on my table, I made a Dollar Tree from a DIY Dollar Tree. So I set my table like this in honor of my mom, and then for the collab, the deluxe DIY Dollar Tree decor. So this is all my Dollar Tree decor. The florals from Dollar Tree, the little diamonds from Dollar Tree, some of the dollar wrap from Dollar Tree. So I hope I have done what was expected of me, and I hope that you like my designs and like my DIYs. This is May's Design Corner saying, please don't forget to pray for someone else besides yourself, and always know that God is alive and well. And again, I would like to thank Anna and Sandy Lynn. Thank you all so very much for having so many beautiful collabs. This is May's Design Corner saying, I love you with a passion, and don't forget, when it looks bad, look to God instead of looking at the circumstances. I do.